Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to set up the Gartour clocking system. So this is we just bought this one Gartour system. We just unbox the box. So in the box we have checkpoint, guard tag or your security guard name. We have one charger, data cable, we got the petrol stick device, USB, micro USB inserting here. So this is the device and device case. And we got the software CD. That's it. So we have the box, in this box all these things. So I just keep the software CD here. First we check the we have the Gartour system, the Gartour checkpoint. So we have the checkpoint system here, all the checkpoint. It's total 15 checkpoint we have here received. We have 3 guard tag, data cable, charger, device. So this is our one package Gartour system. Welcome back. So after unbox the box, so we have to set up the all the system. So I will show you how to set up everything. So we just keep this thing one side, guard tag one side. So we just have to mark all the checkpoint first with the numbers. So you can use a sequence, you can use a in the sequence number 1 to until the end. I'm going to show you how to mark this all. So before installing on the wall, so make sure all you have to be marked with the numbers. So I just using the sticker to mark all with a number. All the 15 checkpoint we just put some sticker so we can remember later which checkpoint we installing where. So take a marker, just name it number 1, 2, number 3, 4, 5, number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All the checkpoint we mark here, done. So after we take this Gartour number 1, so sorry, guard tag number 2, showing it number 3. So after mark all these done, so we have to install our software. So we just take the Gartour CD and install the software. All the software setting I will show you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Hi friends. In the previous video we unboxed the Gartour system and mark all the checkpoint. In this video I am going to show you how to set up the software. So just insert the CD in your PC then just click on the patrolling system version, whichever your language is, English or any. Just click here 1.1. just double click on the setup. Just wait for a while, it will start. So once the setup start, just follow the option next, next and next. So we install all the software. After install, just install the driver, finish, then just go out. So I'm showing you here, we have here Guardware system installed. So we just double click on this. Default password is 999, 3 times 9. If you don't remember, just click on the tips. So we have here the default password for the master user. Just press confirm. So we have opened this Guardware software. So after this, first we have to set up our place name, your building name, your area name, your factory name, anything. Just we go to the patrol setup, we click on the route setup. After that, we just click the add, type the building name or factory name, anything. I just type the factory A, confirm. So we have our area here. Just go exit. So after this, first step we have to do, we go to the maintenance, clear data in reader. Clear data in reader, so our reader become the clear. Before click the clear data in reader, make sure you are connect with the USB cable and the reader with your PC. Then just click on the clear data in reader, press yes, wait for a while. We show you all data is clear. So just confirm. And next step, we do all the checkpoint. We just go to patrol setup and click on the checkpoint. Once I click the checkpoint, just now we create the route, the area name we have here factory A. So in this area now we are going to set up all our the checkpoint. Hi friends, so after processing the clear data in reader, so you take the reader, just go and scan your all the checkpoint one by one. Which sequence you put the number, just scan the same sequence. So after done scanning all, so this device just bring to your PC and connect with the USB cable. After scanning your point, so just click on the batch read. Once you click on the batch read, just now we scan the all 15 point with our device. You can see here it automatically read from the device. So here you can type your checkpoint name, like that I'm typing here, main gate, or any name whatever you want, or you can put the number also. Later you can change to the name, this one. So just highlight this all the checkpoint and move into our area. Just now we created factory A, so all the checkpoint is move into the area. So if I want to rename any checkpoint after installing, this is we already put the name. So second one I want to rename, we just click on the checkpoint on top, modify, just click on the modify. We have here two things, card ID and the name. We just change the name to any name. So just confirm. So you see here our name is already changed here. So after this, just exit from here. Now we go to the guard setup. Here we have to scan all the guard tag with the device. After scanning the guard tag, so we just click the batch read. So now I'm going to pause this video and scan the guard tag. Just come back to your PC and click on the batch read. Once you click on the batch read, it will read from the device. Just put here your guard name. I just do the guard 1, guard 2, guard 3. So we have put all this. Once you click anywhere, it will automatically save. So just exit from here. And finally we have to set the tour. Is according to your area, according to your factory, building or anything. Just click the setup plan and batch add schedule. Once I click the batch add schedule, it will show me this box. So we can put here our tour duration. How long your guard going to finish is one complete tour. So I just put here 120 minutes, means 2 hours. So if your guard got any break time, then you can put here the break time after every tour, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes. I'm not going to put any break time. So just I click the next day, the last option. Once I confirm this, so system automatically generate the 12 tour for me to the guard. So if my guard duty start morning 8, so they have to clocking from 8 to 10, one tour completes, then 10 to 12 another tour, then this going to the sequences every day by day. So after this, just save this thing. So we have our tour plan. Exit. So guard tour system setup all done. So now you can ask your guard to tour your building or any area. So after that, you can read data from here. So we are going to read the software side, everything done. Then we have to test our system. We just go to the we want to tour with the guard 1. I just scan the guard 1 point first. Then our guard ready to go for the tour. I just skip some point, so we will see in the report. You can see I just skip this and this point. So in the report we can see this point all are missing. So our guard, so we can monitor the guard better with this tool. After scanning all the checkpoint and guard tour, when your guard come back from the tour, or you can read is once a week, once a month, device can store 60,000 record. So we just click on the read data and click on the read data. Whatever you got tour, they turn around any building or checkpoint, all it will show you here. So you can see here, we go to main gate, exit 3, 4, 5, all the checkpoint you can see here. Who go, also you can see guard 1. So you can print this report or print preview or print this report. I just going to exit. Then for the actual reporting system, we go to the patrol report, select the date. Now is time, so you can select the time any. I just click the search. Once I click search, you can see here all the points are missing. You can see the time here. It start from the 00. So I drop down here. So my time is 8 to 10. So you can see here 9:55. So we have our one tour complete. Just now I scan all the point. I missed some point. Then you can see here that is showing you missing point. Once your guard go to number 1, number 2, he did not go any other point, it will show you the missing point. So this report you can export to Excel, you can print, or you can print preview, any is up to you. Or you want to see only missing point, you want to see only normal point, or all together. Is a filter is here, or this all the report you can export to Excel. So after this is the complete your guard tour setup system is completely done. You can ask your guard to turn around your factory, your building, any. So if you have anything, you can go through the manual. just clicking away here, so you can see all the manual is inside the software, how to do all the setting, everything. So now we are, if, yeah, one point is here, if some of the checkpoint, like you see this checkpoint is missing or somebody break it or checkpoint is broken, so what you have to do, you just click on that checkpoint, click the delete button. Once you click the delete button, it asks you want to confirm to delete this, just say confirm. So with number 6 we deleted from here. So what I have to do now, I have to take a new checkpoint for any checkpoint, scan that checkpoint with the device. Once I complete the scan that checkpoint with the device, so after scanning the checkpoint we have to do the same process last time we do the batch read. After complete scanning the one new checkpoint, just we plug the device in, we go to patrol setup, checkpoint, we just click the batch read. Once you click the batch read, it will read all the data from the device. So we can see here we have one checkpoint. We just mark this checkpoint to same name. Just now we deleted the checkpoint. We can see here number 6 is missing here. I just check this point and put the input to there. It will come in the last. So I can move it from here, just clicking by the arrow where you want to place the checkpoint. So done. If next time you go any missing checkpoint or deleted any checkpoint is broken, so just click the that checkpoint and delete. After do the process, just close this menu and go take off your device from the PC and scan with the new checkpoint and go again patrol setup, checkpoint and batch read. Once you see the your checkpoint, mark it with the number and put into your area. So this is our complete guard to a setup. Thanks for watching. You have any question about this, you can comment me, I will reply you. Thanks for watching.